Good morning students. Hope you all are good. In today's class we will study English language. Chapter number 4, Articles. So students, today we will learn about articles. Which words are called article? There are 3 articles in our English language. So let's begin where we use these articles. The words a, an, and the are articles. We use a and an to talk about a thing in general. They are called indefinite articles. We use the to talk about a specific thing. It is called a definite article. So, have you seen students that there are 2 types of articles, definite article and indefinite articles. Definite article is the, and indefinite articles, 2 types of indefinite articles, a and an. So where we use a and an to talk about a thing in general, okay, and we use definite article which is the to talk about a specific thing, okay. So for example, the article a is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound. As you all know, there are 5 vowels, a, e, i, o, u, and rest of the letters are called consonant. So where we use a before a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound. For example, he is a banker. Here you can see we have used a, and this is banker, and the first letter is B, which is consonant, okay. So whenever we read this word banker, so the consonant sound is here, that's why we will use a, okay. He is a banker. Next one is I visited a zoo in Delhi. Same here, Z, it is a consonant, and whenever we read out a zoo, the word is the consonant sound, that's why we will use a. I visited a zoo in Delhi, okay. Next one is before a singular countable noun which starts with a vowel but has a consonant sound, okay. Means where we use where a singular noun before a singular noun which starts with a vowel. Look, he studies in a university. Here don't be confused that you, as I have told you, there are 5 vowels, a, e, i, o, u. Here u is given, so don't be confused, okay. This is vowel, but the sound is coming as consonant. Read out this word university, okay. Here the consonant sound is here, that's why we will use a before university. Here u sounds like you. Here u letter which is vowel, but the sound, it sounds like you, so we will use a. He studies in a university, okay. Mark is a European. Same, it is also, its sound is consonant sound, okay. As you can see, don't be confused that e is a vowel, but before using using article, you have to read out the word. The sound, it is giving consonant sound. Mark is a European. European. That's why we will use A before European. Okay. So next one is before an adjective that comes before a countable noun. Before an adjective. Look. He is a good driver. Here good word is adjective and it is coming before a countable noun. That driver, we can count driver. One driver. He is a good driver. We gave her a picture book. Here we can count picture books. Okay. So we gave her a picture book. The article an is used. An is an. First use of an is where we use an before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. Like, for example, she is an actor. An actor. You have to read out this word and first letter is vowel and the sound is also vowel sound. So we will use N. She is an actor. They live in an igloo. So here this word is vowel and the sound is also vowel sound. So we will use an. Next, before a singular countable noun which starts with a consonant but has a vowel sound. For example, his name starts with an F. Read out this F. F sounds like if. Okay. So this alphabet F is giving us vowel sound. So we will use an. His name starts with an F. He is an MP. M sounds like M. So we will not don't be confused here that M is a consonant. First of all, just read out these words, then use N. M. You can see, read out M. He is an MP. Okay. Before a silent H, for example, I will meet you in an R. H is silent here, so the sound is vowel sound. I will meet you in an R. Okay. He is an honest person. This is not honest. It is a consonant, but the sound is vowel sound. He is an honest man. Honest man. Okay. So I hope you understood about the use of a and an. Next we will learn where we use the definite article, which is the. The article the is used when we talk about a particular noun. For example, the dog that bit me ran away. We are indicating that particular dog. The dog that bit me ran away. The sun and the moon are heavenly bodies. Okay. Before names of rivers, oceans, seas and mountains. The Pacific Ocean, the Caspian Sea, the Himalayas. Here these names are of rivers, oceans, seas and mountains. So we use the before these names. Before names of books, newspapers and magazines. Where we use the before books, newspaper, the name of books, newspapers and magazines. For example, the Times of India, the Outlook. Okay. Next use of the is before names of monuments and buildings. where we use the before names of monuments, historical monuments, buildings. For example, the Red Fort, the Parliament House, the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Okay, before the names of countries with plural names. For example, the Philippines, the Maldives, the Netherlands. Next, before the names of countries that contain the words republic, democratic, kingdom or states. For example, the United States of America, the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, before nouns that are of certain cultures, for example, the Chinese dumplings, the Russian opera, the Indian Prime Minister. Next one is before superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, this is the tallest building in Delhi. Here we are using superlative degree. Here this is the tallest, means this is the number one tallest, the tallest building in Delhi. I met him the third time at a mall. Okay, so students, I hope you understood that where we use the definite article the before the names of monuments, buildings, before the names of countries with plural names. Okay, the Philippines, the Maldives, you can see S is here at the end of these words. Country names, Maldives, the Netherlands. Okay, so we use the before the names of countries that contain the words, which words? Republic, democratic, kingdom or states. Okay, so before the names of countries that contain the words, these words, and before the names of monuments, famous buildings. Okay, before the names of certain cultures. Okay, so we use the before superlatives when we compare anything, then superlative. Wherever we use superlative degree, we use superlative comparison, then we use the. Here in this sentence you can see this is the tallest building in the Delhi. Tallest means one of the tallest. No building is there which is more taller than this building. So here this is the the best building, the tallest building. Okay, wherever we use superlative degree of comparison, we use the. Okay, I met him the third time at a mall. Okay, so some notes, one note is given here. Look, we don't use the before the names of languages. Most important thing is that we don't use the before the names of languages. Like for example, we learn English, we will not use the English. It is incorrect. We learn English, they speak Chinese. Okay, so students, I hope you understood the chapter well, that where we use definite article and where we use indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a and n, and definite article is the. Okay, so I hope you understood. Take care yourself. Bye bye.